So this STEM activity about the traffic light can be managed by three students. So this is a red LED, this is a green LED, and this is an orange LED. So what we will do, we will manage the LEDs red, green and orange with the help of a tactile switch. My tactile switch is way different because in this case when I am pressing it, it's turning off, and when I am leaving it, it's turning off on. So it's on when I am not doing anything, and it's off when I am pressing it. So you can have a different tactile switch also which says on press it's on and is off when not press. So this way you can introduce a logic of the gates to the students of grade 6, 7th, 8th, 9th. So this activity is very interesting for these grade students, but even the elder student also enjoy this. So you need a tactile switch. Tactile switch could be of two legs or the four legs depending upon your availability. I am using the two legs tactile switch. So take care that you have to connect the tactile switch here in the end of the breadboard because there are many lines. So connect here in the extreme one, this one, in this way. Don't connect it this way, otherwise it will be short. So this way is the best way. Connect it here, and if you have a three, you can connect one is middle and the third one somewhere here. Okay, third one here like this. So this will control the red, this will control the green, this will control the orange. So three student can be engaged like a police officer or a traffic signal guy. So before that you have to do a little soldering exercise to make it more appealing, or you can take a help of a craft teacher also. So what you have to do, you have to take three sticks like this, or you can use any other thing to make it like your own innovation. So I have pasted three sticks like this with the help of a glue or a glue, and then with a sharp object you just make a small hole in this and you can insert an LED in this, three LEDs, and then you have to put a resistor in series with it. This is a current limiting resistor, so there are three resistor, one, two, and you can see the third one. This is the third one, and then with a solder you can choose the red wire for the red LEDs, green wire for the green LEDs, and the orange wire for the orange LED, and the black, which is the ground, it should be common. What I have done here is like, let me explain you. So what I've done here, I have three LEDs like this. So long leg is positive and the short leg is negative. This is positive and a negative. So third LED is here. So this is a short leg and this is a long leg, and then this is one more LED. So this is a long leg, this is a short leg, and this is a long leg. So this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, this is negative. So what I have done, I have just soldered it together like this, and I've taken a black wire common like this. So ground is, this is also called the negative or the ground. Always remember negative is ground. So this is a negative wire. I have soldered it with all together. You can just have a look here this way. And this is for the red. This connection is for the red LED. This is for the green. And this is for the orange LED. So this way you can connect it. And I will show you only one LED because otherwise the uh, video would be very long. So I have connected this way. So I'll insert the positive here, the positive, the long leg of the LED, and the negative here. You can just have a close look on the focus. Then with the help of a battery, which I have made it like this, so you put red here and the black, which is the ground here. Now the LED is on. Now the LED is on. See this one. So now the LED is on. As soon as you are going to press it, it's getting off and on, off and on, off and on, off and on. So suppose if the car is there, a policeman is controlling the LED depending upon the traffic. And the same way, you can repeat this circuit the same way, and you can extend with the jumpers like this one for the green one. Let me show you like this. Oops, I have used the red one, but I have to use the green wire or the orange wire for turning the green LED on. So as soon as we will press it, it will turn off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. So this is a simple STEM activity which will tell about the students the hassle which we face with the manual control, because there is a lot of circuits and all that. So what we will do in the next video, I will show you how we can make it a very easy practice with the help of a Arduino Uno as a small brain, a small and powerful brain, and this way we can control the LEDs uh, timer also. Like this will be glow for 10 seconds, 5 seconds, or in second. And with the emergence of AI, we can also incorporate that. With the AI, the traffic would be sensed automatically, and in the night, the passengers would not have to wait for a long. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Please subscribe for supporting me. Thank you.